Get ready. In 3, 2, 1, go. Let's warm up. First exercise, standing elbow clap. 10 seconds left. Next exercise, arms circle marching on spot. In 3, 2, 1, go.
I know I'm in your head. I know I'm in your head. But she's laying in your bed. I bet you wish you're out there instead. I know I'm in your head.
10 seconds left. Up next, figure 8 with towels. In 3, 2, 1, go.
I know I'm in your head. I know I'm in your head. But she's laying in your bed. I bet you wish I was there instead.
10 seconds left. Next exercise, forearms to wide grip wall push-up. In 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds left. Up next, push-up pull. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Selfish.
10 seconds left.
You were so goddamn selfish.
Next exercise, knee push-up chest pullback. In 3, 2, 1, go. 10 seconds left.
You say so, I can't say no. Baby, can you just stay another night? Keep you close.
Up next, kneeling shoulder tap push-up.
Baby, can you just stay another
In 3, 2, 1, go.
say no? Baby, can you just stay another night? Keep you close, don't go home. Baby, can you just stay another night? Yeah, I won't let go, 'cause I don't wanna waste another night alone. Don't go home, I'm gonna ask you to stay another night. Yeah, I won't let go, 'cause I don't wanna waste
10 seconds left.
the night alone. Don't go home, I'm gonna ask you to stay another night.
Next exercise, incline push-up. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Too many nights spent lonely in this bed. You're all I want. To keep me warm, wish you were here instead. I'm all alone. If you say so, I can't say no. Baby, can you just stay another night? Keep you close, don't go home. Baby, can you just stay another
10 seconds left.
yeah, I won't let go, 'cause I don't wanna waste another night alone. Don't go home, I'm gonna
Next exercise, elevated push-up.
the night. You say so, I can't
In 3, 2, 1, go.
another night. Keep you close, don't go home. Baby, can you just stay another night? Yeah, I won't let go, 'cause I don't wanna waste another night alone. Don't go home, I'm gonna ask you to stay another night.
10 seconds left. Last exercise, Superman chest stretch. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah. I know exactly what it is. I know that we ain't kids. We like to kick back up in the cut and kick. We like to kick back up in the cut and I know exactly what it is.
10 seconds
I know
left.
that we ain't kids. We like to kick back up in the cut and kick. We like to kick back up in the cut. I know exactly what it is. I know that we ain't kids.
You've conquered this workout with sheer determination. Impressive work. We're thrilled to see you crush it and would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. There's more to achieve and we're right here with you. Keep the momentum going, click on the video thumbnail on your screen, and accept your next challenge.